What's up, everyone? Welcome to Cooking with Jib. I'm your boy Jib. We're out at the Kent Community Garden. They have a nice little produce stand 24/7. It's an honor system. I really love the produce that they have here. It's really cheap. I come out here for food all the time. But today, since we're making a corn chowder, squash, yam soup, it's more of a harvest thing. We got a local yam. I'm grabbing some more peppers because we're also going to be making hot sauce later this week. And of course, I picked up a parsley plant because we're going to end up needing that. So with that, guys, we're going to make our way back home to the kitchen, and I'm going to start showing you guys how to make corn stock, and then we can get into making the chowder.
Black carpet, I'm in trouble. Black carpet, I see trouble. Man, I'm not gonna get home. Black carpet, I'm so dizzy. Black carpet, please get busy. Oh, nothing to get home. Black carpet, I'm in trouble. I'm so dizzy. Please get busy.
Stock rolling behind us. We're going to take the squash, mine from my garden, cut off the ends, scoop out the seeds, and we're going to do the same for both of these peppers.
Black carpet, I'm in trouble. I'm so dizzy. Please get busy. Oh, now I'm not gonna get home.
So I threw the peppers and squash in the pan. If we look at them, they're coming along just great. I threw in the olive oil instead of canola oil. I want a good nice sear and flavor from that. If you remember the corn we set off from the side earlier, I threw that in the stock. Keep that handy. You might have to adjust the flavor as it reduces.
I'm in trouble. I'm so dizzy. Please get busy. Oh, now I'm not gonna get home.
Alrighty, guys, it's about time for us to strain our stock. So if you have a little hand strainer, that'll work just fine. But if you have a mesh one or a metal one, that's probably going to work best, so we can get the coriander and bay leaf out of the corn and the stock. But since we're going to lose a lot of the corn, I'm going to cut up one more ear so we can add that into the chowder later on. go ahead and take a look at our roux. You can see it's coming together pretty well. It's going to look like a warm cookie dough, so we're going to put it back on low heat and continue to let it go. While we wait, we're going to take our veggies, we're going to add it to our stock, whisk it together, and let the stuff cook down. It looks like this pot's not going to be big enough for it, so I'm going to take the time and transfer it back over to the old pot. So what I'm about to show you guys is called tempering or thickening with the roux. This is what makes your chowder an actual chowder. So you're going to take a lot of the broth, a little bit of the roux, whisk it all together, throw it back in the pot, and just do this over and over again. About halfway through the roux, I stopped, brought the whole thing to a boil, and let it sit for about 5 minutes. I was all warm and fuzzy with how thick it was, so I salt, peppered, and bam, this is what I got. I got a harvest corn chowder, a roasted pepper squash corn chowder, however you want to call it. It looks great, it smells great, and above all, it tastes great, guys. So as always, thanks for watching. Go ahead and fund my Struggle Bus cookbook at my GoFundMe page. Please like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching. I'm your boy Jib. Peace.